RM125 back wheel. Just gonna take it off, gonna paint it, and I'm gonna tighten the spokes. Just rim maintenance. Easy way to tell if the spoke's loose, just tap it with a wrench. You don't want a high pitched sound like that. That's good. That needs tighten. That's dead. Another dead one. That one's good. Another dead one. That's good. Just want to make them all the same. Tighten it up, or you will have one of those putting a hole in your tire. You don't want that when you're riding. There's the bike. Just painted the frame on it. Working on it. Got the motor over here. Painted the cases. Painted that case. Rebuilding the engine. More videos to come.